I am in North Mason SWAT, and I'll be doing an app review on the Plumbago app in Microsoft Garage. Here we have a tutorial video if you're at all worried about it. Skip it through, it kind of tells you a little quick overlay. You start with Plumbago. If you look around, of course you have your settings and whatnot. Options, saving it to your OneDrive, and tells you what it's about. If you have a question, it brings you back to this menu. Pressing the plus here, you get an option between your notebooks. You're able to pick your colors. And actually a really neat feature about it is picking what kind of paper, which gives it a lot more versatility. So being you could have black, depending on which colors you'd like to use, you can have black paper. You can also do a figure for maybe modeling or drawing or creating like clothes and whatnot. You can have graph dots as well as graphing paper. You can also practice your handwriting with handwriting paper. And then the music paper for musicians and whatnot. Ruled if you want to use it like a normal notebook. White if you're here to doodle, or just plain white paper for notes. And yellow ruled. Today we're going to be using white paper. And here you've selected your notebook. In the right corner you have this. You can move it around along with your pen. It's going to tell you and show you give you your options for how you want to write and erase. Then you have your color wheel and how thick or thin you'd like to have your colors. So having a pretty thin drawing is quite easy. You can draw a little stick figure and whatnot if you'd like. It works really well with the pen and everything on the Microsoft tablet here. Changing colors and whatnot. And if you click here, it'll send you back to your home screen. And then you have your getting started with Plumbago. And then you have your notebook. If you press these three dots over here, you can change everything about it, including the name. You can change it to Gavin's Notes. Or Gavin's Notes, because if you click here, it'll open up and you can look at many different pages because, of course, it is a notebook. And you can also add pictures if you'd like. Go to your saved pictures, if any. If you have any, you're able to drag them over. Here's your save options where you can save it to your notebook or you can save you as a PNG. And here's more options where you can fix your handwriting and where you can move your toolbar alignment depending on where you'd like it. And then this would be for drawing. And of course you can also use your eraser. The only problem that I have with the eraser is if you're using your mouse, when you're done and not erasing, it likes to disappear on you. So maybe that's something they could fix for those who can use this for the normal computer and or laptop. You can also use a highlighter and whatnot if you want to bring other pages and whatnot onto here. Overall, I'd say it's a pretty good app. I mean, if anything, it's most likely for the service, or most likely used for the Surface rather than the laptop over here. The pen sure makes it a lot easier. And you can also do touchscreen if you'd like. And yeah, in the end, I'd say it's a pretty good app and a Microsoft Garage success. Thank you for your time.